right, these are 2.2 notes, formulas and functions. We're going to be solving for variables. So example 1. I'm going to rewrite that. C equals 5/9 of f minus 32. And I want to solve this for f. So that's the same thing as saying C equals 5/9 f minus, I'll distribute here. So we need to take 5/9 times negative 32. Make that a fraction. So I have 1/60/9. Now, if I'm solving for f, I need to move this to that sign. If it was minus, I'm going to add it. So that means I get C plus 1/60/9 equals 5/9 f. Now, to get rid of the 5/9, we're going to multiply both sides by 9/5. So when I do that, these cross off, and I have f on this side equals, and I'm going to distribute this through here. So that'll give me 9/5 C plus, when I go through here, the 9's go away. Let's see what 5 into 160 is. 32. So my final answer is f equals 9/5 C plus 32. All right, example 2. Solve this one here, an equation for A. So we can see we need this 2B moved over here. So we're going to write 3A equals 6 plus 2B. And if I'm solving for A, I'm going to divide by 3, divide each thing by 3. So I will get A equals 2 plus 2/3. Example 3. Suppose A equals P plus PRT. I want to solve for P. So what on the P values are only on the right-hand side, the P variable. So we're going to undo this by doing the undo of the distributive property. So I'm going to have P parentheses 1 plus RT. So I'm undoing the distributive property. Because if I multiply that back out, I would get P plus PRT. So now I have P and multiply by something. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1 plus RT. So A divided by 1 plus RT. So the key on that one was undoing the distributive property. All right, and then the last one here, specified variable on both sides. So let's see what to do with that. So we need A, which means I have an A here, I have an A here, and that's it. So I need to get the A's on one side. So I'm going to rewrite this problem. 3A plus 7 equals negative 5AB plus B. I need to solve for A, so I'm going to move this over here, and I'm going to move this 7 over here. So that means I get 3A plus 5AB equals B minus 7. So if it's plus 7 on the left, move it over, it becomes minus. And the negative 5AB, I'm going to add that to both sides. So think of I'm just doing the opposite on the other side. So now I need to undo the distributive property again. So on this, I have an A. Then you're left with 3 plus 5B equals B minus 7. So I use the distributive property backwards. Then divide both sides by 3 plus 5B. So final answer is A equals B minus 7 over 3 plus 5B. Nice job.